The push head holds the box tightly to the automatic clamping device. Then the box gate will open automatically. The pusher compresses the garbage under the action of the oil cylinder. After the bin is full, the trash is transferred by the hook arm truck. Hold the device to release the box. You can also bury the equipment underground as a whole. Garbage is transported to the compression station through pipelines. After the garbage is full, push the box into the lifting device. Then the lifting device lifts the box to the ground. Finally, the hook arm truck transported it away.